Good morning, crafty friends. I've missed y'all. I'm finally back in action, crafting, making videos, posting on my Instagram. It's been a while. I think it's been about 6 months. The last time I crafted, I think I was in a couple Valentine swaps or collabs, and yeah, that was in February. And since then, we've moved from Washington to Texas. We spent the summer with the kids just having fun and exploring. A lot of family things happened in between there. And we finally are somewhat settled in our new home. My craft room is about 80% done. I'm still missing like a ton of things. I'm pretty upset because, and it's my fault because I let my husband pack my crafts in Washington, and he just threw everything in boxes. I thought he told me he was gonna keep it organized, and whatever he took out of the drawers he would keep together. But when I unpacked, it was just a nightmare. So I'm really upset because I'm missing a lot of things. You know how you know your mess and you know what you have, and I'm like, where's this? Where's that? I've looked everywhere for certain things. We've been to the storage. I just don't know where they are. And we moved ourselves, so nobody moved us, and we haven't thrown anything away. So it's here. I just don't know where he put it. He probably mixed it up with maybe Christmas ornaments or something. It might be in a different bin. But yeah, I've been having problems finding things that I need for crafting. But anyway, I'm on today, just a quick video because I did go to Walmart and Dollar Tree yesterday. I have not spent money on craft supplies since I think December last year because we already knew we were moving, and so I didn't want to buy anything, especially from like AliExpress, because you know those can take a while, and we didn't know how long it would take for us to sell our home. And so even like local shops or like Hobby Lobby, Michaels, I just stopped purchasing things because I already saw my craft room as being a challenge to pack up and move, and so we were like no more. So it was really fun shopping yesterday for some Halloween items. I have also started shopping on AliExpress last month. I think like mid-month. I started going online, and oh my gosh, I was so surprised. Well, not really surprised, but they always have new dyes coming out. But there were so many dyes, and like I just didn't know where to begin. So I bought a lot. I bought a lot of dyes, and the packages started coming in. I kind of noticed too that some of the shops, they have, I guess, warehouses in the United States now, so you can pick United States shipping or shipping from China. So on a few of them I picked United States shipping. One, I'm kind of upset because I still haven't received my package, and it's been almost 2 weeks, and if I paid the price, a higher price for shipping to ship from the United States, I would think I would get my items sooner. So I've been back and forth with that company. But the other company, they shipped it quick, but yeah, they're all coming in, and so I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed. Then I just started watching YouTube again and Instagram because I really wasn't doing that this whole summer, or basically since after my Valentine swaps, because like I said, we were just so busy. I was busy packing and just getting things in order for us to move, and so I just recently started going on YouTube and Instagram, and oh my gosh, everybody has been making so many beautiful crafts, and I really need to catch up because I found a video on binder mail, and I was like, what's binder mail? When back in February, I didn't know what binder mail was. Maybe it was just me being behind, but I didn't know anything about binder mail and all these dyes that I've purchased. Some of them that came in, it looks quite complicated, so I had to go and research videos for tutorials. It's just been fun. It's been fun and been crazy. Like, excuse me. I feel a bit overwhelmed, but I'm also excited because my favorite time to craft is obviously Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. So this is right on time that, I'm getting situated and starting to craft again. But anyway, let's go ahead and just let me show you what I bought yesterday. So like I said, we went to Walmart, and I found these cute little napkins, and I thought they were so cute. It looks like, I love how they Halloween is incorporating the pastels because I personally love pastels, and I know Michaels when I did go to Michael's a week or two ago. They had this paper pad. I think it's called Pinkaboo. A super cute paper pad, and they were on sale. It was buy one get two free, and I think I had like an additional 20% off coupon. So yeah, I stocked up on paper pads, even though I don't need any more, but I don't have any pastel Halloween, so I bought quite a few of those so I could keep it in my stash. But I think this is really cute, and so I started yesterday is with the napkin is I'm gonna make an embellishment box, and so it's already dried. I think it's really cute. Haven't done anything else. I have to put my trim and everything on it, but that was my idea for the napkins. And these were $1.24. So those are really cute. And I also bought this confetti, and I think the confetti goes with the napkins. And so I opened the package up. I haven't used them yet because I was trying to do this video yesterday, but people kept calling me. And so I literally tried like 5 times, and it wasn't working out. And so I just stopped and figured I'll come on early this morning. It's like about 5:30, I think. So let me see here. So it comes with these cute little bats, and look at that. It's like holographic. I love that goes with the glasses. Has that cute little kitty cat and the pumpkin. So it looks like there's 3 of each. So it's probably like, so 12. You have 12 pieces of confetti in here for 98 cents. It's the Halloween confetti, so I bought a few packages of these because they were super cute. Then I went ahead and got these Halloween spider confetti. Really small, cute spiders to put on your embellishments or anything you want to put them on. And so I bought 2 packages of those. I found this super cute confetti. And this one has ghosts. And you can use either the glitter side or the matte side. So you got the cute little ghost. And then you got the bat. The cute little bats. And then the pumpkins. Super cute little pumpkins. So I bought 2 packages of those confettis. And then I found these skulls because I want to decorate my desk. And I thought this was really cute. I don't know how much these were though. I mean, they didn't really cost a whole lot, but I purchased that. And then my paints got kind of messed up in the move because Texas is just so hot. We had everything in storage, so I tossed a lot of my paints, and I purchased some new paints yesterday. So I like these for, like I said, Halloween. Going with the pastels, and then the true orange, and then the gray, which I think will go with the theme that I'm going for right now. So those are 2 for $1. And then I just got a couple of decor, which my son picked this out. I think it's super cute. And this was $3.98. And then we also got this witch potion, which is super cute. And this was $3.24. They only had 2 of these left. I thought this was pretty cool. So that's my Walmart haul. And then we ended up going to Dollar Tree because Dollar Tree is right across the street. And so at the Dollar Tree, I purchased these. Let's see here. These are sparkle mesh in the black and purple and the black and silver. So I got that. I got some creepy cloth. I thought it would be cool to put on some projects. And this is something I have never seen there before, but they had these adhesive diamond wrap Halloween prints. So I purchased this one here, which is the skull, the skeleton, which is black and silver. I got 3 packages of those. Then they have the fall, and I thought this was pretty with the gold with the acorn. And then they had the leaf, again with the gold. So it's super pretty. I really like those. And last but not least, I got these wooden DIY stickers. So I purchased 3 packages of these, which some are already colored, the pumpkins, and these you can paint yourself, which is why I can use like the pastel paints on here. They have already stickers in the back. So I bought 3 of those. And then they had these, which is 100% do-it-yourself. They're all just wooden. I mean, you can keep it the way it is. It looks pretty, or you can paint them. And so I thought this would be a nice project for my daughter and I to paint some pumpkins and leaves so she can help me make some embellishments. So we purchased those. But yeah, so that's my haul yesterday. It felt really good, like I said, to start shopping for like craft items. I did, like I said, I did start shopping on AliExpress, and I can show you really quick. It's just crazy, but I literally have like all these packages from AliExpress, and I wanted to do a haul, but they're coming in so quickly because I kind of purchased them all at once. Like I kind of just went crazy last month because I haven't been on there in such a long time, and I wanted to do like you know, a haul and a project share, but I just don't know if I can do that with as many dyes as I have. So I'm not sure if y'all want me to just show the dyes, or you know, you want me to try to cut out the dye and show a project that I made with the dye, because that I can tell you it's going to take a while because these are just too many. One is not from AliExpress. This one I actually purchased on eBay. Impression Obsession dyes, and I thought I love the stitched leaves, and so I think I got this for like $10. And so I thought that'd be cute for like my fall projects. And let me see, some other things are not from AliExpress. Oh, I purchased this from someone's D-stash. This is a Stampin' Up. What are these? Like the flags, the banners. I got it for $15. So I purchased that. And I think that's it for not being from AliExpress. Oh, here's one more. I purchased this. I saw this stamp set on Jill's channel. And so I bought the coffee cup and the stamps, and this is from papersweeties.com. And so Jill Norwood had a code. There was a coupon code, and so I used the code and I purchased that set there. And sorry, it's so random. I have to get used to doing these videos again. I did purchase this die, and I did make something because, like I said, when they first started coming in, my goal was to, you know, try to make a project while I do the haul video. But you know, it's getting kind of hard because you saw all those packages and there's more than one die in a lot of them. Some of them have like 10 to 15 dies in there. So I'll have to like take a week off of work just to get all that done. But this is the die, what it is. It's a little jar, super cute. Put my own web and my spider on there. I got this die for $3.03 from the Monopoly 5 store. And I thought this was super cute. So I'm going to put this back in here because I was able to cut that one out. And then this one here, I was able to cut out, and this is Halloween. I really like that font. And this is the die here, Halloween. And see, like this was purchased on 8/21 and I got it on 8/29. I think this was US ship from East Shape Dukin Personalized Handicraft Store. So I definitely want to purchase more from them because, like I said, you get your item faster. I can't remember their selection though and how much, you know, dies and stamps that they had in their shop. But I was mainly focused on Halloween and Christmas, and fall. So that's a lot of what I purchased, along with all those new like KS Craft has a lot of dies. Nicole Silhouette, I know she designed a lot of dies. I bought almost all her dies that she's created in the past few months. And what else? Alina Craft, same thing. A lot of their dies. I think Nicole also designs for them. And so yeah, I just can't wait to play. I just need to find the time. Same struggle as before, just finding the time between work and kids and life. But I do plan to do some project shares. I showed a project on my Instagram. I made some rosettes. I will come on with that video this weekend with the project share and what I use. So stay tuned for that. Otherwise, I hope you all have a fabulous Friday. Have a fabulous weekend. Thank you all for all your support and hanging around. And like I said, I am glad to be back. I missed y'all. Take care, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.